tow truck driver is on his way. It has been a fiasco with tow truck companies and insurance companies. It's been horrible. Alright, let's go! I just got to the property where the motorhome is, and I just don't see how that truck driver is going to get in here. Unless I can get a hold of my yard guy. He's got this car parked out in the street, and I think the only way the guy's going to get in is if he pulls in this way and backs in, which he's going to have to take a wide turn here where the car is. But we'll see. Alright, I'm going to get out and go see if Jeff's here. Not here. What I understand is this girl came from this direction, which is Tyler, and this is Childs Avenue, which runs that way and that way. And she had to have blown through this stop sign because this car was up in the driveway. So she blew through the stop sign, and the car was parked here, and there's a fence here, so she threaded the needle through here, clipped the front end of the car, and slammed into the motorhome. And yeah, there's a mess out here. It looks pretty bad to me, but I don't know. Seems to me they'd have to replace this whole panel to get it to match. Oh, there's wires and a broken gas tank and a broken, I don't know if that's a black tank right there or the gray tank, I don't know. That's all busted. I don't know. Something up against the tire there. Don't know what that is. Can't crawl under there to see. I don't remember that rim being busted. Anyway, I think I probably just barely beat the tow truck driver here. Let's see, it's torn the front of the, this is the front bumper. It's torn that off. And it's busted the bumper up there. In there. I think the hood is all tweaked. I know the windshield is broke because it hit this pole barn structure thing. Those 4x4s are probably what stopped it from going any further forward. What a mess. I don't know what the insurance companies have been doing, but this has been sitting here for like 5 days now. The tow truck company called, and I have a feeling this is what they were talking about. In one of the pictures, this is what was being shown, and they thought maybe that the ground was really, really soft, and that the motorhome had sunk into the ground because it was soft, not because it was pushed over, and being pushed over is what tore the grass up around it. Anyway, I have the keys. I wanted to go in and see when we're in. Oh, it knocked the TV out. Well, that's lovely. I saw this big hole in there. I was like, what? Wow. I don't know what that goes to. But there's the windshield busted under the visor. Glass all over the dash. My poor motorhome. 11 feet 4 inches. That's what that guy wanted to know. I really am curious about the damage back here. That cabinet looks a little bit cockeyed to me. I don't know. I'm not a insurance adjuster, so I don't know what the problems. Wow, look at that toilet. That couldn't have happened from the wreck, could it? Maybe, I don't know. Got no clue. I don't have a clue. I'm surprised the propane tank didn't pop. Alright, well, let's go call this guy and tell him 11 feet 4 inches. Oh, you don't know what I'm talking about. The tow truck company called me and wanted to know how tall the motorhome was from top to bottom, because he was in a certain rig with a certain height trailer to pull it, and he wasn't sure if he would be too tall or not with the trailer he brought. Well, I'm thinking, why doesn't he look it up with the VIN number and find out for himself? I mean, I'm 20 miles away. That was rude. Anyway, I'm 20 miles away. It'd be easier for him just to look it up before he leaves. He'd already left. He was pretty rude. John Deco from, I think he said Action Towing. Let's see what he says.
You've reached John with Action Towing. Please leave a name, message, and a phone number, and I'll call you back.
So I've got my camera set up so that when that guy gets here, it's going. I'm just wondering, with the way that road is and as busy as it is, how he's going to back a trailer up in there to put my RV on it. That's a pretty heavily traveled road. So we'll see. So the tow truck driver just texted me and said he's about 5 miles out, so I'll be back. Okay, so here comes the tow truck company. Now, how in the world? I haven't got a clue. Good luck to them is all I can say. I'm not real sure what their plan is. I think he's talking about backing up his rig onto the crossing street over there, where that white car is. But I don't know. I don't know.
Get out of the way, Jerry!
Hey, walk with it.
Trying to get it out of there, and it keeps running out of gas because the gas all drained into that tub right there, and now it's completely dead. Flat tires and all. So what's going on is the trailer, or the motorhome on top of that truck, was too tall, so they let the air out of all the tires.
I don't know what he's doing, but anyway, he just he got tired of waiting or something. I don't know, dinner's done or something. He just stabbed it inside of him. He did.
Stab the tire?
Yeah, you did do that? Anyway.
Who did? That kid?
Yeah.
No, I didn't see him stab the tire to flatten it.
Because he just got...
Which tire was it?
That's,
The inside back? Well, that's the end of the motorhome, I think. I just wanted to come back on and say thanks for watching. So, the tow truck driver was saying that the frame was pushed way up in there, and that there probably wasn't anybody that was going to fix it. So I suppose just have to wait and see what the insurance company says. It has been a day and I am tired and I'm headed home. Sorry about all the noise. Yeah. According to that tow truck driver, he said that the frame was pushed way in there, and there were parts, and I got pictures, I'll try and put them in there. There were parts that were just ripped away on the frame. So we'll wait and see what the insurance says about someone fixing it or not. Tow truck driver didn't seem to think anybody was going to fix it. So we'll just have to wait and see some more. But at least it's off that property. And the tow truck driver didn't tell me where he was taking it. Didn't give me any paperwork. I didn't sign anything. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please share my videos, click that thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button down below. Talk to you later.